Let's have a look inside about microcontrollers. Microcontrollers have CPU like as a computer. This CPU executes instructions that perform the basic functions. Microcontrollers are dedicated to one task and run one specific program. This program is stored in a ROM and usually does not change. Microcontrollers are low power devices. Usually it consumes 50 milliwatt voltage. Another thing is microcontrollers are dedicated to one task and run a specific program. A microcontroller has a dedicated input device and often has a small LED or LCD display for output. So far we are looking about the introductions of microcontrollers and basic applications of it. Now we can see the importance of microcontrollers. We can use microcontrollers embedded inside. In this category, automotive systems, airplanes, toys, medical devices and furnitures are listed, and also we can use microcontrollers in billions of other units. Here take a look about some applications of microcontrollers. This is a picture about spheres. Actually sphere is a dot channel embedded with 12 capacitive sensors for pulling out and pressing in manipulation on 12 control points of 3D geometries. Sphere exhibits the top-down 3D modeling approach for saving mental loads of low-level machineries. Using analog inputs of 3D manipulation, designers are able to have high-level modeling concepts like push or pull the 3D surfaces. Now you can see a basic photograph about spheres. Also microcontrollers in today used for reality kitchen architecture. These slides are show that reality kitchen architecture, how we can implement in microcontrollers. Another application is talk in private. You can now you can see a photograph of it. IR is also comes up with a microcontroller. It is another application of microcontrollers. Another application is thermal mouse pad. In this, it relates to a mouse pad with thermal isolated function, which comprises a pad with a thermal isolation cover. Now you can see internal and external picture of thermal mouse pad. Spatula is another application of microcontroller. It contains pH sensor, temperature sensor, salinity sensor, sensors for viscosity, on-off button. This slide contains basic description of PIC 16F84A microcontroller. It contains microchip and it is 8-bit and it has memory which 68 bytes of RAM execution memory and 68 bytes of EEPROM program memory. It consumes 2 to 5.5 voltage and it has 18 pins. Regarding to that it has 13 input output pins. This is a basic description of PIC16F84A microcontroller. You can see it's basically like a IC. Finally, IRX board is another application and it contains PIC16F84 microcontroller, RS232 serial port, visible LED, infrared detector, 8 input output available and prototyping area.